Is it time to buy or sell Fangdd Network Group Ltd stock? In this video, we will explore Fangdd Network Group Ltd in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of September 23, 2024, our system has classified Fangdd Network Group Ltd as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has surpassed our expectations, showing a remarkable gain of 691.32% since we first recommended purchasing Fangdd Network Group Ltd just 7 days ago. This achievement translates to an average return of 98.76% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken through a notably wide and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the top of the current trend, which has been broken at $0.91. This level may present a second opportunity for a significant gain. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 132.29% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 62.64% to negative 37.38%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates an expected change of negative 11.61% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 91.33% and negative 58.23%. This translates to a price range between $0.294 and $1.42 after a year. Our latest daily update for Fangdd Network Group Ltd features the headline, Significant Movements in Fangdd Network Group Ltd stock price on Tuesday, fluctuating 68.35% between high and low. The Fangdd Network Group Ltd stock price increased by 9.35% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 1st of October, 2024, rising from $3.10 to $3.39. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 68.35%, with a low of $2.37 and a high of $3.99. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 716.87% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 48 million shares, with a total of 148 million shares being traded for approximately $503.20 million. It is important to consider that declining volume amid rising prices could signal a divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $3.99, while the lowest was 32 cents. Currently, the price is 15.04%, or 60 cents, below the 52-week high, and 97.37%, or $125.65, below the all-time high reached on June 9, 2020, when the price peaked at $129.04. Fangdd Network Group Ltd, trading under the symbol DUO, recently announced a registered direct offering of 1,600,000 Class A ordinary shares priced at $1.55 each. This $2,500,000 capital raise indicates the company's active stance in securing funds, which could influence short-term stock perception. While such offerings can often lead to short-term dilution concerns and a potential drop in stock price, they also provide necessary liquidity for growth initiatives. In addition, Fangdd has been updating its investors on its substitution listing plan, signaling its strategic efforts to gain a stronger foothold in the market. The company's attempt to pivot into the burgeoning real estate stock asset services sector could have substantial long-term benefits. Given the ongoing shifts in the Chinese real estate landscape, where the focus is moving towards stock asset operation rather than new developments, Fangdd's proactive strategies could enhance its market positioning. Additionally, it's worth noting that Fangdd has experienced significant price fluctuations this year, including a remarkable 288% increase recently. However, challenges remain, such as compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirements. The market's reaction to these developments over both the short and long terms will be closely watched, particularly as the company navigates funding needs and potential expansions within its sector. Overall, while the immediate reaction may focus on dilution concerns, the long-term outlook hinges on the successful execution of its strategic plans and market adaptation. Analysts have assigned Fangdd Network Group Ltd stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Fangdd Network Group Ltd. The stock of Fangdd Network Group Ltd exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is noted due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at levels of $1.47 and 63.2 cents. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, September 3, 2024, with the stock rising by 792.11% since then. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. During the last trading session, volume decreased even as prices increased, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 94 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also signals a buy from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 13 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 3 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Fangdd Network Group Ltd. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.10. Without support from accumulated volume beneath this level, the risk increases significantly. A drop below this support could lead to a substantial decrease in the stock price. This stock is likely to exhibit considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $1.62 between its high and low, representing a change of 68.35%. For the past week, the daily average volatility has been 72.11%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Fangdd Network Group Ltd, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through tough times, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistent negative PE ratios may point to insufficient profitability and can raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Fangdd Network Group Ltd. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, Fangdd Network Group Ltd faces its first support level at $3.10. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.24, which represents a decline of 4.56%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, leading to significant risk. The 14-day relative strength index is at 97, further increasing this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal present from a pivot bottom identified 20 days ago. Is Fangdd Network Group Ltd stock a good buy? Fangdd Network Group Ltd exhibits several positive signals. However, these do not sufficiently indicate it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting investors consider holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, we predict Fangdd Network Group Ltd will open down 14 cents and begin trading at $3.25. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.